This is Vijay Raj Desai. In the last part, we saw about Sun. Now, if the most dominant planet in your horoscope, if it is Moon, choose photography, emotional writing, or any caring based profession. Now, emotional writing means writing based on some emotional stories such as household stories, maybe something to do with the families, etc. Such can be used either to write books or for even films. So you can choose photography, emotional writing, or any caring based profession, such as in hospitals, in orphanages, in NGOs, non governmental organizations, etc. If the most dominant planet is Mars, choose jobs in police, army, sports, advocacy, surgical branches in medical field, or any expression based or bravery based profession. If it is Mercury, choose business, informative writing, marketing, selling, or any communication based profession. If it is Venus, choose art, business in artistic areas, obstetrics gynec in medical field, or any pleasantness based profession. If it is Jupiter, choose any higher education based profession. Any higher education based profession. For any higher education, good Jupiter position in the horoscope is a must. If it is Saturn, choose any labor based or tenacity based profession. Labor based professions, examples, contract work, etc. Any contract work of PWD, that is the one which is most often obtained. Next, if it is Pluto, choose any assessment based profession or even lobbying in various fields. Assessment based profession, there are so many of those. Assessment is required for many fields. Next, if it is Uranus, choose any higher intellect based profession and or profession needing originality, that is innovation and creativity. If it is Neptune, choose any intensity, that is depth based profession or tasks in the profession. Now, the next thing is very important. Sometimes 2 or 3 planets may be equally good and strong. 2 or 3 also, maybe 4 or 5 also, at times, very rarely. So, sometimes 2 or 3 planets may be equally good and strong. In such a case, combine the strengths and choose the education and profession, which I will discuss in the next part. Do well in life. May God bless you.